Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. I am super excited for today's video because the brand Confetti collection was generous enough to send me another box. I'll link the review I did on the previous box in the eye and down below. I'll be honest, I was going to try and wait to actually see the products until I filmed this video, but when I got it, I couldn't wait. I opened it, so I've already actually seen everything, but either way, I'm still very excited for it. Just as a disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. They sent me this box free of charge. However, that does not affect my opinion. I will still be completely honest on the value and what I think about the products inside. So a box comes every other month and it is $19.99 for a box, and you get 8 or more coordinated giftables, stationery, and fun novelties. So they all typically have a theme, like a pattern that stays consistent throughout everything, which honestly, $20 I think is a great idea. Novelty or luxury stationery can get quite expensive. Just go down the notebook section at Target and you can probably find a handful of notebooks that are alone $20. So I honestly think you are getting a really good deal with this because the products you get are such good quality. I know Christmas just passed, but I still think this would be a really good gift idea for someone that is in school or is a teacher, someone who, uses a lot of stationery or just likes cool, fun novelty things. I'm trying to better organize my life right now, getting some inspo from Marie Kondo, and this stuff has helped. I'm big on making lists and trying to organize things in like smaller sections. And then you also get some things in your box that are just fun and everyone really likes. I will put a link to the website down below if you want to check it out. Before I start this video, make sure to give it a like or a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see videos on makeup, hair, things like this. Let's get started. So I've already dismantled everything, but it does come in this box with some really cute packaging and some pink tissue paper. And it also comes with a little card explaining your box. It says something juicy or wish upon a star. In your box, you'll find a little bit of everything. We've included something for your desk, something for your feet, something for your thoughts, and more. I like that they gave you 2 different options. I think the last box, everyone just got the same thing. But this one kind of makes it like a mystery, like, are you gonna get this one or that one? I got the wish upon a star box. I'm gonna start with this cute little bag. You could use this for a birthday or any kind of celebration. You could even technically use it for Christmas. It says yay, and then on this side it has little confetti inside. I believe everything that comes in this box is from the brand C.R. Gibson. This is really cute. I have a friend that has a birthday coming up in January, so I'll probably end up using this. Some really cute ties. I usually just get my bags from Dollar Tree, so they're nothing too special. So this is like a little nice luxury bag that I'll have. Next we have this keychain. It has like some straw or something here, and then this blue tassel. This is really cute. I know that these are really in right now. I probably wouldn't put this on my keys, but I might put this on like my luggage bag, so that way when I see it, I know which bag is mine. It's a gray and black bag, so it's pretty common. I love this color. This is like my favorite color. Honestly, I might take this part off just because it's like a little scratchy, but I really like this one. It just fell off. Well, I guess that solves that problem. But I like this because it adds just a little bit of something else to your bag. Just kidding, apparently I forgot what was in my bag because it actually came with a luggage tag. It's like a rose gold pink with gold trim and then gold letters. It says vacation calories don't count. Accurate. I try to eat healthy and, make sure I'm not putting too much junk in my body, but on vacation, all bets are off. So it actually has like this secret flap in the back where you can put your name and everything, so it's not directly on the tag. This is very cute though. I don't have a luggage tag, and I guess it'd be better to have one with my name in case my bag actually does get lost, and then I'll put the blue one on like my purse or something else. This is another thing that's kind of for travel. They're cord keepers. So it comes with 2 of these. One's just like a little circle and the other is a star. I've actually really been wanting one of these because currently I just use rubber bands, which don't look that nice. It's great for travel if you have your phone, laptop cords. You put it in here in the middle, then snap it, and then it keeps it from getting tangled. It makes it a little bit easier to find, so that way these cords aren't just like loosely in your luggage bag. I'm actually really excited that I got some of these because I was planning on buying some because I thought about even using them for necklaces to keep them from the chains wrapping around themselves and getting tangled. Okay, the next thing is like a little coin, I guess. It's just like a little coin looking thing with like a horseshoe shape on it. It says to bring you good luck. To be honest, I don't really know what you would do with this. Is this something like people collect or like they keep with them to bring them good luck? I don't really know. I'd say this is the one thing in the box where I'm just like, okay. Yeah, that's all I have to say because I don't really know what people do with these. And I don't really like believe in lucky items, so. Okay, the next thing is definitely my favorite thing of the box. It comes in its own cute little box. It has like a little ribbon pull tab. The box, is adorable. You get these cute star socks. I think this cut is called crew cut, and I love these for the winter because I wear these types of socks all the time with my boots because I don't want my short socks to fall off. So I have a drawer full of socks like these because I love them. A lot of the ones I own are Christmassy too because I buy them in the winter around Christmas time. So it'd be nice to have something in my collection that is not Christmassy. They're nice and soft. They are 67.7% cotton. And I really want to reuse this box because I just love how cute it is. It's got a little star. Okay, the next thing we have is this adorable little light teal notebook. It has a matching little tassel like the one that came with the blue tassel. It's like a soft leather, almost like a velvety leather type feel. Now this is something I'm going to be putting in my purse because you never know when you're gonna need paper. So either in my car or in my purse if it fits. And you have this to save your place. I think that looks so cute. It's just very professional looking, but still very cute. And it's a good size and it feels good quality, like it's not gonna get beat up and bent easily in your purse. Had that happen before, it's not fun. Okay, the next thing we have is a pouch and it has a matching blue tassel. It has this cute, I think they're like flower patterns, like pink flowers on the pouch. Blue inside. It's just a little pouch for you to keep your pens and pencils if you're in school. For me, I'll probably use it for eyeshadow brushes. So I try to keep my eyeshadow brushes and my face brushes in separate containers so that they don't, like, I don't get red eyeshadow on my foundation brush and disaster happens. And this seems like a good size. Like even my taller brushes fit in here. I think this is the tallest brush I own. Even like a tall face brush fits perfectly in here. Pens obviously could fit a lot in there. Paintbrushes if you were an artist. Honestly, really anything. Even if you want to put like your hair stuff that you keep in your purse or lip products or your makeup, like the options are endless and it's really cute. Okay, so we've come down to the last thing in this box and it is this guy right here. These are 10 star-shaped paper clips. So these are really, really cute. You get 2 different colors in there. One's like I actually think it's 3 colors. You have like a gold in there, a more copper looking one, and then one that's kind of bronze. And they're just paper clips, you know? And there we go. You might not want to do this for like papers you're turning into school, but for personal documents, these are really, really cute. Or if you want to use these as like a cute bookmark, these are very cute. I use paper clips for like everything, so this is great that it was in the box. I'm just a big fan of stationery, like cute stationery. I probably have too much, but like, it's a bad thing to have too much stationery. I'm always prepared. I think I loved everything in my box that I got previously. It had a lot of stationery like lists, notebooks, things to keep you organized. This is one of the things. It's just like a list book and I do use this quite often. I have a slip from it on my desk right now of everything I need to do today so I can make this video off. But everything I've gotten from them is really good quality. It doesn't fall apart. It feels like it's made from really good materials. It's not something that you could just find at the dollar store. Thank you again to Confetti Collection for sending me this box because I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will hopefully see you in my next video.